Hi, I'm Dr. Lei, Program Lead for Computer Science BSc at the University of Bradford. Computer Science course focuses on solving real-world problems through computation using theory, technology, and innovation to support industry, commercial, and research applications. We introduce key areas of computer science such as cybersecurity and AI. We provide you with a deep understanding of computer science principles and equip you with skills that are in high demand in industry. All four of our computer science programs share a common first year. This includes computer science for artificial intelligence, computer science for cybersecurity, and software engineering. This provides you with a strong foundation to build upon as you progress through your academic journey. You also have the option to move programs after the first year if you find your interests changing to a different focus. The University of Bradford has a proven track record of alumni that make a big impact in the tech world. You learn how to start businesses, work in large and small organizations, and how to approach a startup. Potential job destinations include improving health services in the NHS through smart data, working with councils to improve efficiency. You could work as an AI architect or as a system architect in large organizations. The common first year and optionality we spoke about earlier is a massive benefit we offer here at Bradford. It allows you to approach your academic journey with the flexibility to make sure it works for you. At Bradford, we are undertaking leading AI research, some of the most advanced in the UK. This directly benefits our programs and students. It informs the module content and ensures our teaching is always current and relevant. We are part of the Turing University Network, which gives our students access to better connections and collaboration with other organizations around the world. We also have state-of-the-art cutting-edge labs for computer science that you can access 24/7 from day one of your program. You will study varied modules, including internet technology, programming, software development, hardware, and architecture, to name just a few. You will look at mathematics with a computing focus. We'll work with you from the ground up on this, so you don't need to come with a high level of mathematics experience. We teach you how to create, manage, and govern databases, how to work with advanced AI and machine learning. You will be taught how to work with industry-relevant tools such as Python, GitHub, TensorFlow, VRKs for AR, and cloud-based AI hosting. We integrate real-world problems into final year projects, so you are working on real issues, not just performing an academic activity. During your learning, you will implement software, applications, and projects. You will learn how to present this work, pitch it, and explain it both to the experts and the layperson. In your final year, you create a portfolio and CV and learn how to present yourself to employers. It ensures that you graduate with the skill to undertake the work, but also present yourself to the industry in a positive way. Our programs offer a 3- and a 4-year option, with the 4-year option including a placement year after the second year. Some example organizations our students have previously undertaken placements in are the NHS, HMRC, General Electric, IBM, Microsoft, and other leading organizations. This provides experience on real-world projects, ensuring you can apply what you've learned in the real world. During the second year, we have an Enterprise Pro module where we invite industry experts into the university so our students can learn about what's going on in industry right now. These experts also bring real-world problems to the students and give them the opportunity to work on these and develop solutions. We have a student union society called PySoc, the first ever BCS student chapter in the UK. This is a melting pot for creativity and ideas, has trips and events focused on computer science. At Bradford, we offer a wide range of additional support to our students such as a personal academic tutor, counseling services, disability services, and academic skill support. If this course is of interest to you, check out our website for more information. Join us for one of our open days, or if you already have an offer from us, please come to one of our experience days and get a taste of what studying here is like.